What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi 14 and OnePlus 12 to see which device is going to be better in terms of performance and benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and like this video as well. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So Xiaomi 14 scored 2.057932 million points and OnePlus 12 scored 1.922572 million points. So the difference is not too much, but winner is Xiaomi 14. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Xiaomi 14 is better compared to OnePlus 12, and that's why the winner is Xiaomi 14 here in overall test score result as well. So now if you go to the Geekbench 6, this test is divided in two parts, CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So Xiaomi 14 scored 1652 in single core and 6556 in multi-core, while OnePlus 12 scored 942 in single core and 5008 in multi-core. Surprisingly, both of these devices, they are running on exact same CPU, so it is a bit surprising that we are getting this much difference in benchmarking test score result. There is a possibility that OnePlus is restricting the peak performance of the CPU for better stability and to avoid the heating issue. If we go to the GPU test score result, in this the score is quite similar as Xiaomi 14 scored 13,960 and OnePlus 12 scored 13,551. But once again, the winner is Xiaomi 14 in both CPU and GPU test here on Geekbench 6. So let's go back from here and let's have a look on the last test for today, and that's 3D Mark. This test is divided in multiple parts as well. We have performed the Wildlife Extreme and the Solar Bay. So first of all, let's start with Wildlife. Both of our devices totally maxed out, as you can see here. So just skip it and let's go to the Wildlife Extreme. In this, Xiaomi 14 scored 5165 with 30.93 average FPS, and OnePlus 12 scored 4980 with 29.82 average FPS. So once again, the winner is Xiaomi 14. If we go to the Solar Bay now, in this, the first time the winner is OnePlus 12, but the difference is very minute. As you can see, Xiaomi 14 scored 8627 in Solar Bay with average frame rate of 32.81, while OnePlus 12 scored 8630 with average frame rate of 32.82. So the difference is negligible, but we can say that OnePlus 12 is the winner. But if you're talking about the overall performance and the benchmarking test score results, we can see that the performance of Xiaomi 14 is better, even though both of these devices, they are coming with the exact same CPU and GPU. But does not matter which device you are going to get, these are the flagship smartphones from their respective brands and you will be happy with the performance for sure. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.